Is your TikTok shop playing hide and seek with your customers? Let's fix it. First things first, let's confirm the Shop tab is even supposed to be there. Head to your TikTok profile if you're eligible for TikTok Shop. A dedicated Shop tab should appear right next to your bio. If it's missing entirely, you might not have met the eligibility requirements, or there could be a temporary platform issue. If the tab is there but not showing products, or if you're experiencing glitches, let's try a quick refresh. Go to your TikTok settings, tap on Account, and then select Download Your Data. This prompts TikTok to resync your account information, which often resolves display problems. Outdated apps are a common culprit for feature malfunctions. Go to your device's App Store, search for TikTok, and ensure you have the latest version installed. A simple update can magically bring your shop back to life. Sometimes, a good old-fashioned reboot of your account can do wonders. Navigate back to Settings, tap Account, and choose Log Out. Once logged out, simply log back, and this clears temporary cache issues that might be preventing your shop from displaying correctly. If you're a seller and your products aren't showing, dive into your TikTok Shop Seller Center. Check for any notifications about account suspension, product rejections, or policy violations. The Seller Center is your command hub for understanding exactly what's going on with your store. Still no luck? Don't pull your hair out. It might be time to reach out to TikTok support within the TikTok app. Go to Settings, then Help Center, and search for TikTok Shop to find the most relevant contact options. Clearly explain the issue you're facing, including screenshots if possible. With these steps, your TikTok shop should be back in business, attracting customers and driving sales. Happy selling!